The direct bill reconciliation process can be a valuable tool for qualifying your policy data. Each month, as you receive company commission, the policies that have been entered in AgencyPro can be proofed against the statement. Some agencies may choose to skip the reconciliation process and simply record the commission to either income or company receivable. However, many agencies need to utilize the reconciliation feature to take advantage of the full accounting benefits. These benefits include rep payable postings for cash basis agencies, confirming policy accuracy, tracking that you've been paid by your companies, and correct income posting that can be reviewed by policy if needed. These subjects will be discussed in your initial training session and can be reviewed with a support representative. When you receive a direct bill commission statement, you begin reconciling by clicking the dollar sign in the ledger, which opens the direct bill reconciliation screen. Enter the date you received your commission check, the company it came from, and the total amount of the commission received. You can also enter a negative number if you need to return commission on this statement, which will generate a check in the account of your choice. In the top half of the window, you see the policies available for reconciliation. It is helpful if your policies are entered and generated real-time, so then this process is simply a review of their accuracy. The policies display the client, effective date, policy number, premium, and amount due. As you compare your statement to the screen, you will want all of those fields to match. As you work through your statement, if an item matches and you are being paid in full, simply double-click the row, which will change the all paid to yes, move the amount due to the payment column, and list the item in the bottom half of the screen. The total reconciled policies. The items in this bottom half must equal your commission check amount to finalize this statement. If you are receiving a partial commission against a policy, type in the amount you are receiving in the payment column on that row, then click the arrow icon to move the commission to the bottom. When the statement is finalized, the amount due on the policy will be reduced by the partial payment amount. When you see a policy that is not correct, you can edit the policy from here by clicking the magnifying glass icon. This opens the policy to edit, but keep in mind that you will only want to edit policies from here that have no or a blank in the DB reconciled field. As you save the policy, you must regenerate accounting in order to post these changes. If you've mistakenly paid the wrong item, simply unpay it at the top, then click the arrow icon to remove it from the bottom. When you have an item on the statement that is not listed on the screen, you can leave the reconciliation, go find the client, enter or correct the item, then return to the direct bill reconciliation to find the reconciled policy still intact. Apply payment to the correction, check your date one last time, then click Reconcile Now to finalize the statement. This will go through each policy and make the appropriate postings. These postings can be seen by clicking on the transaction detail icon on the policy screen. Here are the resulting policies on an accrual-based policy. You can see that the income posted against your receivable back on the effective date, along with our rep payable. Then our partial payment reduced the receivable. Here's how it will look on a cash-based policy. There were no postings until the reconciliation was posted, and now you have just the portion of commission received posted to income and an appropriate share of that posting payable to your producer. On the policy, you see a yes in the DB reconciled field, indicating a partial payment has been applied. An R indicates full commission received, a no indicates that you have applied no commission, and a blank means that you have never generated accounting on the policy. See more about these concepts in the Regenerate Accounting tutorial up next.